Right, we just installed a VLine 2 in this 2017 Infiniti Q60, and we'll show you how that works. So in this vehicle, the VLine will actually appear in the iPod source. So we'll exit out of that, and then as you can see here, you can get to all of your factory sources and still see all the factory menus. And then if we want to go to the VLine, we'll go to iPod here, and the VLine will take over the screen. And from here, we've got full control of the touch. You can also do swipes. And then we also have the audio and menu button where you can use those. And then also the tune and channel. These can be key bound up here. And that'll be in the key mapping. And for the key mapping, if you want to select any buttons to do a different function, like let's say back, we'll tap on that and then we'll select the button. So if we want that to be audio, now we can see that's been bound. And then the same goes for these buttons down here. And if you ever need to go out of the VLine source while you're listening to music and adjust the factory EQ, you use that factory UI shortcut, and then you'll be able to go in here and make your adjustments. And then to get back to the VLine, you go out of iPod and back into it. And if you want to adjust your climate controls, you can still press the climate button here, and that'll bring you back to the screen, and then audio will go back to the VLine.